Welcome everyone to our day 3 of 7 days project challenge on AWS. Today we just gonna deploy our index.html game on which is known as a click the target game on S3 as we do in our day 1 and creating one pipeline for triggering the game from GitHub to our S3 bucket by using code pipeline service by AWS. So without further delay, let's start the practical. Here we have a simple game made from index.html file, JavaScript and CSS. I will give you the preview of your game. So let's start the debugging. Yeah, here we go. This is our simple game. When we click the start game, the ball moves from one to another. And as we click here, you can see the score get increase. Stop the game. Okay. Let's deploy this on our S3 service on AWS. Come to your console, click for S3. Here we have a create bucket option. Click here. As you know, the name of the buckets must be global. So give it a name like I will give YSH, yes, game S3. I hope so it's unique. Allow the public access and go with the defaults. Create a bucket. Yes. As we see, our bucket is created. Go inside this, upload your file. Don't worry, I have given the link of my GitHub repo that travel you through whole code. Let's upload the file. Yeah, here we have the 3 files. Select this. You can drag and drop. Also, you can select from add file option. Upload it. As we see in S3 buckets, our all file are gonna deploy. So yes. Now you all know as a part of our day 1 project, we have to create the policies and host the website statically to access our project, or we can say web page. So go inside the policies, permissions, bucket policies, edit the policy and go to our policy generator. Here we can select, we have to select policy type as a S3, bucket policy, principal, hit star, select get object action from top down, search for it. Yeah, here we have get object. Here ARN resource, copy it from your bucket, associate with your bucket, paste it and add the state. It generates the statement for us, generate the policy, copy the policy, control C, okay, and yep, control. Yep. Here we have to add the slash star to access the policy and save the change. Yeah. Now we see our policy get added. Go to properties to host our, and at the bottom we see static website hosting. Enable it, edit it, enable. Yeah. Our first initial file name is index.html. Yeah. Leave it as it is, or we can copy the same, paste it. Yeah. Save the change. Now our website is statically hosted on S3. As you can see. Yes. Yep. It's well and good running. Now we have to create the code pipeline from our GitHub. So let's create one. Let's go to code pipeline. Yeah, yes, here code pipeline. Make sure your code is pushed on your GitHub repository. For that, we we may create one repository. Okay, create one repository. You simple game. Okay, make it public. Create repository. Here we have to add the files. You can add from your terminal too, but as a part, I have to just add it from drop down. So yeah, here we go. All are commit to main. Yes, our repository is ready. Yo, okay. Yeah, just refresh the page. Yeah, simple game and all files are present. Let's trigger this GitHub repository from our code pipeline. So go to code pipeline, create one pipeline. Okay, we have to customize our pipeline. So let's customize it. You can go it. Yeah, pipeline, give it a name. So I have to again like simple click game. Okay, add queue, create one role. It will create a automatically the pipeline. Yes, next it. Create a choose the source as a GitHub app. We have to add the repository. First, we have to connect our GitHub profile with this one. So connect to GitHub. It will okay. Give it your name. Like what's your GitHub account name? Connect to GitHub. Yeah, here we go. We have to install the new app for this. Also, if you have one, I have one. Okay, I have one, so I can select it. You can create it from your own. Connect this. It can connect. Okay. Repository name. Oh, sorry. Let me create a new one. Okay. The app installed in my local machine is only dedicated to some another. Okay. Let's create one. Install the app. Okay. It may ask for passkey and passwords. Okay. Give it. Okay. Confirm it. Okay. It may. Oh, all repository. Save this up. It may go with. Connect this one. Okay. It shows us all depository name. Oh, so this one is our game repository. Create the click the repository and it's on main branch. So yeah, pipeline return start your pipeline push and request. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Go with the default one. VPC ID we don't have to add the skip the build page. Okay. Skip also skip the test stage. Okay, the code is now our code is present on S3. So we are going to host the website on S3. So let's click the S3, Amazon S3. It's in North Virginia. Let me check one more time. Oh, no, sorry. There is no. Okay, it's in North Virginia. Okay. So go with default one. It's our bucket name present inside our S3 bucket. So yes, create one. Object key, skip it before deploy. Yeah, we have to click the option that extract file before deploy. Okay. Okay. Next one. Okay. Check and create the pipeline. It creates one simple two steps pipeline for a project. Okay. As you see, the pipeline got triggered. It fetched the code from GitHub and deployed over S3. Let's check one more. Let's see. Yes, as you can see, our both steps get triggered and execute successfully. So, as a part of your practical, we created one pipeline from GitHub to S3. Okay, let's go to our console and try to access the website from our statically hosting. Go to S3. Okay, here we have our code pipeline. Okay, Windows action, no nothing. Okay, S3. This was our pipeline, and here we have a simple click game. Add this. Okay. I see. Here is our bucket and our index.html file. Go to properties and host it from statically. Okay, this one was the website. Now our website is running. Let's try to change the code and let's see the we can see side by side check. We can check side by side. Okay, I have to use this one. Okay, let's see our code pipeline get triggered or not. Okay, this one. That is set this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Trigger is added the code. It's our HTML code. I guess yes. Added the code, and I can add game update. Okay. Now commit the change to a main branch. Commit the change. Okay. Let's see our code get triggered or not. Let's see the trigger. Yes, we can you can see our pipeline get triggered again, and it's triggering and committing the change and deploy. Okay, our execution time. Let's say execution. Yes, this one just 4 seconds ago. Let's try to check the website. We done with your practical, and our pipeline is ready, and it's triggering the code from GitHub and deploy it over the S3 bucket. That's all for the video. Make sure you subscribe the button and hit the like. Thank you.